33 days to Merciful Love. Preparation for Consecration to Divine Mercy by Father Michael E. Gaitley, MIC, Marian Fathers of Immaculate Conception, which we can begin from March 22nd to April 23rd, 2022. And on April 24th, we have the Feast of Divine Mercy. Within these 33 days, so we have first week, what is trust? And in the second week, we will be reflecting on the little way of Saint Thérèse of Lisieux. And the third week, the offering to Merciful Love. And the fourth week, into the darkness. And final 5 days, we will be synthesizing and reviewing the 4 weeks. So in this way, we begin devotion to the Merciful Love, the mercy of Jesus Christ. Thank you.